Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to go over some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2003 to 2006 Chevy SSR. Alright guys, we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 2004 SSR, and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed in the passenger seat. Before we install the driver's side, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the factory leather covers to our new replacement leather trimmed upholstery. We built this specific kit for our customer in a two-tone combination of black with Velocity Yellow body to tie in with the customer's Slingshot Yellow SSR. All of the perimeter seams are double-stitched in our black thread. If you're interested in customizing your interior further, we do also offer a contrast Velocity Yellow double stitching upgrade. Our 2003 to 2006 Chevy SSR kits are actually designed for the original leather to be removed before installation. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers and a clothing or upholstery steamer. This is considered an advanced installation, and the rear perimeter attachment for the headrest and backrest is difficult to install. We would suggest using a steamer to soften both the attachments and the factory attachment channel. If you're not looking to install this yourself, our upholstery is designed in a way that most local automotive upholstery shops can install it for you. If you're planning on having your kit professionally installed, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area. Because we designed this kit as a replacement to the original upholstery, once installed properly, we'll retain a factory fit and finish while maintaining all of the seat adjustments. This kit is also fully compatible with the factory side impact airbag system. We built this particular kit in our premium leather trim content, which is similar to the overall amount of leather and vinyl on the factory upholstery. The premium kit has leather on the seating surfaces with matching vinyl on the sides. For those of you wanting all leather, we do also offer a 100% leather upgrade. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the products we can offer for your SSR, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.